Hey guys, it's Shira. I'm going to give you a tour of our Keystone Passport 282 QB and tell you about some things that we are doing in order to prep for the summer. All right, so here's our Keystone Passport travel trailer. Let's go in. The door. Got a nice little screen door here. Thermostat. Our travel trailer is called Duttonmeyer, established in 2021. And here's our radio. Plays on the outside, inside Bluetooth radio. All of our controls for our electric water pumps, our slides, our awning, and a light switch. And here is our living area. We have a couch recliner, so these recline out and come back like really far. They're super comfortable. Probably the best spot in the whole RV. We have our U-shaped dinette, which we love because we are a family of 5 and there's, as you can see, lots and lots of space. Super comfy. And the other cool thing is that this comes down and the cushions go in there perfectly to create a bed-sized space. We don't use that a lot for sleeping, but we do use it when the kids want to have like a movie night and they bring out all their blankets and pillows. One of the best parts about this is all the windows. So when you're at a park, you have all the beautiful views. It's awesome. We have a TV, works great, and it also rotates. So you can rotate it here. You can literally rotate it into our bedroom, and you can rotate it to the U-shaped dinette. Here's our freezer, fridge, kitchen appliances, plenty of storage. Lovely sink, actually comes out. Big sink. And it also has this little extra space if you need it for cooking. All right, coming back here, we have our pantry. It's a little bit dark in here. Oh, let's see. That's basically the same. One of my projects before we get started this summer camping is going to be to make those a little bit more functional so we can use the height and create more space. Here's the kids' room. Plenty of storage space. Lots of drawers for books and toys. We have the cabinet here for all the kids' clothes. TV. Lots of windows. It's really great. And we got a door. So that's nice too. And then we have our bathroom. Bathroom cabinetry, sink, under storage space, toilet, and the beautiful shower with a little sunroof, which is really nice. If we walk back through here, we have the master bedroom. Devin and I have a queen size mattress on here, which actually works pretty great. So if you're a tall man like Devin, 6'3", this works for us. So it's something you could try instead of a travel trailer size mattress as well. We have the mattress topper, which makes it real comfortable. One of the projects I have going on is getting these up in our space, which is really cool because they just stick onto the wall, rechargeable, and then you take them off and use them to walk through the trailer at night whenever it's dark, instead of having to turn on all the lights. Pretty cool. I'm really excited about these. Yep. Devin put some hangers up for his hats. We have plenty of storage space in here as well. Windows. This door is broken. It's not attached to the top piece, so we got to fix that. Lots of fixing. We got to fix the blinds. So these little pieces here to keep these tight so you can pull up the blinds they break off real easily. So we have a lot of broken ones. So we're gonna fix those before we get started traveling this summer. And then best part is decorating. So we'll do some fun decorating. I got this, and this has to get fixed. Let's see, came out. We're gonna try and see if we can square that away. But yeah, to put your phone in and whatnot when you're sitting here instead of it getting lost, because these things are real deep and stuff gets lost in them all the time. All right, well, thank you.